Hi guys, great day. This is Ryan and we're taking a look at this Vention 10000mAh wireless magnetic power bank. So this is from Vention and we're gonna unbox this and take a look at the features. It's for phone, tablets, earphones, etc. Anything that uses power bank. Let's go unbox. As we unbox the product, here we have the user manual. So it always comes with any box that we have. And we have here, of course, the charging cord, which is Type-C to Type-C. And the power bank itself. This is 15 watts magnetic wireless charging, strong magnetic connection. Can be used on our MagSafe and magnetic portions of our smartphones. It has this PD 20 watts fast charging port right there. And a power button. And one great feature also about this, it has the LED power display, so you can take a look and see how much power is left on the device. And that's it. This is the Vention 10000mAh wireless magnetic charger. It also comes with this, let's take a look at this. This is a stand. So this is a built-in zinc alloy stand. So while you are charging your device, you can let it stand right there. So we're gonna take a look and try that on our iPhone here. So this is the Vention 10000mAh wireless magnetic power bank. So we have here our phone and then we clip that on the back. We allow it to stick as it is magnetic. There you go. It will not fall easily. Of course, we have there also the Vention case for our iPhones. We will try the stand, and there you go. So you can use this anytime, anywhere. And for us to have the MagSafe or the power bank to charge the phone, we have to press the power button at the side so that it will be activated. So let's see. And there you go. There's a charging prompt. So it's charging now. And that's it. Very easy to use, very handy. So this is the Vention 10000mAh magnetic power bank. Very useful, very functional. This is Rai. See you on the next vlog. Bye, guys. By the way, don't forget to subscribe to this channel.